In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multi-language subtitles for Hubspot video. Before we jump into Hubspot, there's one important thing you need to have ready: your subtitle files. Hubspot uses the .vtt file format, so make sure each language you want to support is saved as a separate .vtt file. If your subtitles are in another format like .srt, you can use a third-party tool to convert them to .vtt before you begin. Having these files organized and clearly named by language will make the process much smoother. Once your files are ready, start by logging into your Hubspot account and navigating to the Files tool. Depending on your subscription, you'll either go to Content and then Files, or, if you're using the free tools, go to Marketing and then Files. This is where all your uploaded assets are stored, including your videos. In the Files area, find the specific video you want to add subtitles to and click on its name. This opens the Video Details panel. On the right-hand side, you'll see various options and settings related to that video. Look for the Captions section in this Details panel. If you don't see it right away, make sure that any Advanced Features option is toggled on for the video, as captions are sometimes grouped under those settings. Once you locate the Caption section, expand it to reveal the subtitle options. Here, you'll see a button to add subtitles. Click on the option that says something like Add New Language or Upload Captions. This will open a dialog box where you can configure each language. In the dialog, start by choosing the subtitle language from the drop-down menu. Select the language that matches the subtitles in your .vtt file, for example, Spanish, French, or any other language you've prepared. Then click on the button to select a file from your computer and upload the corresponding .vtt file for that language. After you've selected the correct file, go ahead and click Save. Hubspot will attach that subtitle track to your video, and you should now see the new language listed in the caption section. To support multiple languages, simply repeat this same process for each additional subtitle file you have. Remember, you can add up to 6 different subtitle tracks per video. When you're done, your viewers will be able to choose their preferred language directly from the video player, making your content much more accessible and user-friendly.